Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make this K-drama half cartoon AI photo effect. That you know that viral styles where half your face looks real and the other half turns into a comic art poster vibes. It's super aesthetic and you can do it instantly using Gemini AI powered by Banana. Okay, let's dive right in. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on Create Image or just tap on Tools icon and then Create Images. This way to activate the Nano Banana, this new feature that lets you generate or edit photo instantly using just text prompts. And then next, just upload your photo. Just pick a clear front-facing shot, that something with good lighting and a natural expressions, because it will help the AI match your face perfectly for the split effect. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then now comes the fun part. Let's type in a prompt. Before I already made a prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt or just screenshot it and then using the Google Lens just copy it the text and paste it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to change the prompt, change the details of the prompt, like just to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then just go back to Gemini and then paste it and then generate. And okay, like this, just look at this. Your very own K-drama half cartoon AI photo effect is ready. And honestly, it's so cute. It's got that dreamy cinematic vibe, like half real and half an art. And seriously, it looks like a poster of K-drama. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.